Okay, so next up, we're taking a look at the network page. This gives us an overview of those perspectives that we would look at often at a community or even a recent perspective, and it lets us step back and analyze the network, as the name suggests, as a whole. So one area that we'd like to focus on, even though at the top we do include a lot of information about readers, this is important because this helps us understand the total number of people that we can reach on the Yammer platform. This is really critical to understanding your network, because a lot of folks, you can reach a lot more people with inside Yammer than you probably could within a siloed team that you're working and collaborating together. And so the number of reads and unique readers that we can see along the top presents a huge opportunity both to yourself as a communications team or even executive members to be able to share information across the organization. Further down, we can take a look at this bar chart, which it essentially allows us to step back and look at what we might see at the recent activity page. On the recent activity page, we're focused on people and communities that are engaged. But on the network page, this allows us to step back again and really kind of look at what is the funnel of people and how they're behaving inside of the Yammer platform. So what this is an account of is the unique number of people who are behaving in a certain way. So if I expand this visual, what we see along the top is the total number of unique readers that we have on any given month. So this presents the total number of audience or opportunities that we have as far as people that are consuming our content. The next line chart down is our lurkers. These are people who have done a little bit more activity that we've been able to detect. These are things like swiping through images, downloading documents, or more sort of those lurky passive actions, but they haven't taken that final step to really engage. And that's this gold line along the bottom. We kind of talk about this like a gold standard, which we saw on the recent activity page. These are people who are taking tacit action, responding to threads, liking and discussing with one another. And so someone who's engaged is going to exist in all three of these categories. This isn't like we're putting people into specific areas, but rather this shows us the number of unique people that we have in each of these populations over time across the network.